Hello, my dear students. Today I feel so happy to meet you again. How are you all? Let's this is the time to start our new lesson in social science. Are you all ready? Lesson 1, Wonders in the Sky. So, in this lesson we are going to learn about the sky. Okay? Hearing the voice of the postman, Divya came out and received the parcel from him. It was a DVD from her uncle. She was very curious to know what the DVD contained. She inserted the DVD into her laptop. The title of the DVD was The Magical Universe. Yeah. So Divya received a parcel from the postman. It was sent by her uncle, and the parcel contained a DVD, and it was about the magical universe. Do you know what's universe? Let's see what is universe. Universe is all that we touch, see, sense, measure or detect. It consists of all living things, stars, planets, galaxies, dust, cloud, light, time. Earth is a home to all living things. It is spheroid in shape. It is surrounded by layer of gases called atmosphere. So, what is universe? It means what are the things we are seeing in our world, and we are hearing, and we can touch, and we can sense that such all the things, living things and all objects which are lies in the sky, stars, planets, these all things, this full whole group is called a universe. So our earth is a home for living things, isn't it? Yeah. And it is a spheroid shape. What is mean by spheroid shape? I know you all know about sphere. Sphere shape means it is like a ball. So, and our earth is surrounded by layer of gases. Do you know what is gases? Do you know? I hope you know what is gases. So, the layer of gases is surrounded our earth. And you have two questions there. Have you ever observed the sky? Have you ever observed? We all are see the sky. But have you ever observed the sky? What are the things are in the sky, and what are the things happened in the sky? And then, have you tried to count the stars? Have you tried to count the stars? Yeah, we all try to count the stars. I know. Stars. First, we are going to learn about stars. Stars are huge luminous bodies. They have their own light and heat. They are made of hot gases and dust. The sun is also a star. Yeah, dear. Stars are huge. Huge means what? Very big. So, stars are very big luminous bodies. Luminous means, dear, shining. Yeah, it gives some light, and it was very bright. That is luminous. So stars are huge luminous bodies, and they have stars have their own light and also heat. Yeah, dear. So the all stars are really, it all is ball of fire. So it gives heat and light. Okay, and our sun also is a star. I think in your previous classes you studied about that. So our sun is also a star. When you look at the sky at night, the stars appear smaller than the sun. Why? Yeah, dear. When I told you all the stars, sun is also a star, but in our night we are seeing lot of stars, but they all are not big as our sun. Why? Do you know what makes these stars twinkle? And do you know why the stars all are twinkle? Yeah, dear. Because why it looks smaller than the sun means they all are farthest from us. Yeah. so it looks smaller than sun. And also why they are twinkle, and here you have the answer. The light rays from the stars pass through the atmosphere in a zigzag line, and thus the stars appear to twinkle. So the all stars are have their own light. So the light of the stars entered into our atmosphere of the earth. Do you know what is atmosphere? Layer of gases, surrounded layer of gases. So when it enters into the atmosphere of the earth in the zigzag shape. Do you know zigzag shape? So it looks like twinkle. Okay, have you got it? The light of the stars entered into the earth in the zigzag shape. So zigzag path. Okay, way. So it looks like a twinkle. Yeah, dear. And planets. Next we are going to learn about planets. Planets are celestial bodies which revolve around the sun in elliptical paths called orbits. They do not have their own light, but they reflect that of the sun. Planets do not twinkle as they are closer to the earth. Yeah, dear. Planets are celestial bodies. What is meant by celestial bodies? Celestial means it lies at the sky. Okay, celestial means planets are in the sky, so it called as celestial bodies. So planets are celestial bodies, and they revolve around the sun in elliptical paths called orbits. So all planets are revolving around the sun. Do you know? They all what is that? சுற்றி வருது, சன்னை வந்து சுற்றி எலிப்டிக்கல் மீன்ஸ் த ஓவல் ஷேப், லைக் அன் ஓவல் ஷேப். ஓகேவா? ஓவல் ஷேப்பில் தே ஆல் ரிவால்வ்ஸ் அரௌண்ட் த சன். ஸோ தட் அந்த ஆர் பாத், அந்த எலிப்டிக்கல் பாத் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் அ ஆர்பிட். Okay, orbits. They do not have their own light, but they reflect that of the sun. And the planets have don't have their own light here. It just gets the light from sun and it reflects. Do you know how can I explain? Yeah, if you take the mirror and you show against the sun, in front of the sun, if you show the mirror, what happens? The light of the sun reflects in the mirror. Have you seen? Yeah, light from the mirror you can see, but it is the own light of the mirror? No, it is the light of the sun, and just the mirror reflects the light of the sun. So like that same thing, the planets don't have own light and it just reflects the sun. Planets do not twinkle as they are closer to the earth. Yeah, dear. So stars are twinkle because they are farthest from our earth, so that light of the star entered into the atmosphere in the zigzag shape, so the stars are twinkle. But our planets are very closest to our earth, so they do not twinkle. Okay, dear? Yeah. And next one, satellites. Satellites are objects that go around a larger object such as a planet. Yeah, dear. Satellites also are a object. It goes around the planet. The moon is the only satellite that goes around the earth, our planet. So the moon is satellite for our earth, because the moon rotates our sun, revolves revolves our earth. So the moon is satellite of the earth, and the other planets too have their own satellites. Like our earth, all the planets have their own satellites. Then asteroids. Asteroids are also called as planetoids. Yeah, dear. Asteroids have two names. One is asteroids and another one is planetoids. Okay, these are big pieces of rock or rock and rock metal. So these are all are big pieces of rock. Okay dear, and also it looks like a small planet. Really, asteroid means small planets. Yeah dear, they orbit around the sun between Mars and Jupiter in their own elliptical orbit called the asteroid belt. So these asteroids are in between the Mars and Jupiter planet. Okay, and also they also have their own elliptical path, and it's called as asteroid belt. And next one, meteors. Little pieces of rock and debris in space are called meteorites. These meteorites, as they enter the Earth's atmosphere, get heated up due to friction and leave a trail of bright light and called meteors. Yeah dear, meteors also a little pieces of rock. Okay dear. Yeah, in our we can see in many cartoon programs Val Nachitram, Eri Nachitram. Yeah, that is called as meteors. So it all are small pieces of rock. When it enters to our earth atmosphere, it get heated and it will burn up. So it leave a bright light and called meteors. Val Nachitram. In Tamil we can tell Val Nachitram. Yeah, and it fall on our earth. They are also called falling stars or shooting stars. So these meteors are also called as falling stars or shooting stars. Meteors that survive the journey through the atmosphere and hit the ground are called meteorites. So whenever the meteors hit the ground, then it is called as meteorites. Okay dear. So first we saw the stars. Stars are huge luminous body and it has own light and heat. And next one, planets. Planets revolving the sun in a elliptical path which is called orbits. And stars are twinkle, planets do not twinkle. Then satellites are revolve around the planets. So moon is the satellite for earth. Then asteroids are also called as planetoids. It means small planets. And meteors, little rocks. And also it has another name, shooting stars, falling stars. Okay, have you got it? What are the contents in the lesson? Then next one, moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Yeah dear, moon is the natural satellite because already we can hear about the satellites. All countries send some satellites in the space. Yeah dear, they all are artificial, they are man-made, and we can send it by the rocket, and they all are used for what is that, weather reports and mapping, Google map, and send some signals. The man-made satellites are used for these things. And moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It is made of rocks. It has no air. Moon is made of rocks, and also it has no air. There is no air, but in our earth we have air, so we can breathe and we can survive. But in the moon there is no air, and not only moon, in our solar family all the planets we don't have the air, and so we can't live in any planets or moon. So moon has no air. The surface of the moon has many craters and mountains. Yeah dear, and the surface of the moon is not flat. It has many craters. Crater means pallo. Yeah, in moon it has lot of craters and also lot of mountains. not it in our earth how we have many flat space, uh, not like this. In our moon always having craters and also mountains. Crater means pallum. It does not have its own light and heat, and also moon also does not have own light and heat. It reflects the light of the sun. Yeah, it doesn't have the own light, and it reflects the light of the sun. It revolves around the earth in an elliptical orbit, and it takes 27.3 days to complete one revolution. Yeah dear, so already I told you the moon revolves around our earth. It takes 27.3 days for one revolution. It takes 27.3 days to take one revolution. It means ஒரு தடவை சுற்றி வர்றது. எர்த்து ஒன் டைம் சுற்றி வர்றதுக்கு எவ்வளோ டைம் எடுக்குது? 27.3 days. The gravity of the moon is lesser than that of the earth. Yeah, gravity. Gravity means it likes the magnetic power. ஈர்ப்பு விசைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே. Yeah dear, so our earth has a lot of gravity force, so only whatever things all things are what is that, எல்லா things மேலே if you மேலே ஒரு பொருளை தூக்கி போட்டீங்கன்னா நம்ம எர்த் என்ன பண்ணிடுவோம்? இட் அட்ராக்ட், அப்படியே அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி அதுக்கிட்ட இழுத்து வச்சுக்கிறோம். இட் இஸ் கால்ட் because why? Because it means it has a gravity force. But in moon the gravity is what is that, the gravity is lesser than our earth. So only you can see in films or some videos, in space the all mans are flying because there is less gravity force. Okay dear, yeah. Next in the box, see, Chandrayaan-1 was launched by India on 22/10/2008. October 22, 2008, our India was launched Chandrayaan-1 to the moon. Okay dear, Chandrayaan-1 is the rocket, so it was sent to moon by our India. Next, sun. The sun is the biggest star in our solar system. The sun is the biggest star in our solar system. We have a sun and 8 planets. So the sun is the biggest star in our solar system. It is a bright star and is at the center of the solar system. Yeah, it is a bright star and it is at the center. It is a big ball of fire and gives heat and light to the earth. Yeah, sun is a big ball of fire. It always burning. We can never what is that? We can never go near the sun because it is a ball of fire. It burns all things. So it gives heat and light for the sun and also all planets. The light from the sun gives energy and strength for things to grow. Yeah, you already studied in science. All living things need sunlight, especially plants. Our animals, all human beings also, we need sunlight, especially plants and trees. They need sunlight, isn't it? Yeah. So the sun gives energy and strength for things to grow. Without the light from the sun, the earth would be a cold, dark place. Yeah, without the light from the sun, how can we get light and heat? It is a cold and a dark planet, isn't it? It also gives light to other planets of the solar system. Yeah, about 3/4 of the sun's mass consists of hydrogen, while the rest is mostly helium. Yeah dear, already I told you about gases. So we have many gases in many names, and in our sun it has some gases. So about 3/4 of the sun's mass consists of hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gas, so the sun almost 3/4. Okay dear, 3/4 சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, மூணில் ஒரு பங்கு. it has hydrogen gas, while the rest is mostly helium. And the three one two parts sorry 4 3/4 வந்து hydrogen, and remaining one almost it has helium. Helium is another gas, and less than 2% of the mass is made up of consist of heavier elements including oxygen, carbon, neon, iron and others. So remaining 2% it has oxygen, carbon, neon, iron and others. Okay dears, have you got the information about the sun? Yeah, and let's try and find out. You have an activity dear. Take a rope of 1 meter length, tie a ball to one end. So you take just a 1 meter length of rope and you tie a ball in the other side. Now we are going to then hold the other end and rotate the rope above your head. Okay, so that the ball moves in circles. The ball is in continuous motion until you hold the end of the rope. Likewise, the sun keeps the other planets intact because of his force of attraction. Yeah dear, take a rope and you tie a ball in the one side and take the hold the other side in your hand, and what is that? You just rotate the rope. What it happens? It always round your head. What is that? Continuous until you hold the end of the rope. ஸோ நீ பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்க வரைக்கும் அந்த பால் உன்னைய சுற்றி சுற்றி வருமா, லைக் தட். உன்னோட கை மாதிரி தான் சன், அண்ட் த பால் இஸ் லைக் பிளானட்ஸ். ஸோ பிளானட்ஸ் மாதிரி அந்த பிளானட்ஸை எப்படி நம்ம கை எப்படி பாலை சுற்றி வருதோ அதே மாதிரி இந்த நம்ம சன் வந்து எல்லா பிளானட்ஸையும் வந்து அதை சுற்றி வர வைக்கிது, அது பிடிச்சி வச்சிருக்கு. ஓகேவா? யா, அதோட ஃபோர்ஸால் அப்படியே சன் வந்து அதை ஃபுல்லாக அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி மேக்னெட் மாதிரி சுற்றி வர வச்சுட்டே இருக்குது. யா டியர்ஸ், ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஆல் ஆர் லேர்ன் த லெசன் ஃபுல்லி அண்ட் successfully. And today's homework, and we are going to learn new words, and you are going to write 5 times new words: spheroid, luminous, atmosphere, elliptical, satellites, asteroids, planetoids, meteoroids, revolution, gravity. And you have some, choose the correct answer. The sun is a dash, star or planet. Planets go around the dash, satellite or sun. Third one, asteroids are also called as dash, meteors or planetoids. Fourth one, dash are known as shooting stars, satellites or meteors. The moon takes to complete one revolution 27.3 days or 27.3 hours. Sixth one, the dash is the biggest star in our solar system, sun or earth. Yeah dear, I hope you all should finish our homework. Okay my dears, thank you for listening.